the Constitution on 26 January 1950. Let us take a moment to honor the vision, determination, and sacrifices of those who laid the foundation of our great nation. Our Constitution, crafted by the visionary Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar and the Constituent Assembly, is more than a legal document. It represents the hopes and aspirations of a diverse nation, one that thrives on unity in diversity. Let's throw a light on the importance of Republic Day by a short skit prepared of the students of primary section.
Hello, who are you? I haven't seen you before.
Hi, I'm the Constitution of India and
I am Mother India. Constitution of India is essential for any nation because it defines the rights and duties of a citizen. And do you know who has designed the Indian Constitution?
No.
Bhim Rao Ambedkar, the first Law Minister of India. Without him, the citizens would have been deprived of their fundamental rights. Most of you are not even aware of your fundamental rights and duties under the constitutional rights.
Rights and duties? Would you please illustrate what these rights and duties mean?
A duty is an obligation and a right is an enactment.
Let me illustrate. At home, you expect your parents to look after you. Our primary responsibilities are to respect them and to help them.
Do you know the Britishers ruled me for almost 200 years? After a long struggle, I got independence on 15th of August 1947. I need to develop a set of rules.
This set of rules is called the Constitution. It was amended on 26 January 1950 and we celebrate this day as Republic Day. A constitution laid on us some guiding principles that have to be followed by leaders and the citizens of the nation.
The preamble's introduction describes our country as a sovereign, democratic, socialist, secular and republic.
What does it mean?
This means the people of the country will elect leaders to form a government. That means if we are not happy with our elected leaders, we can re-elect new leaders in next polls. Socialist and secular means all the people in the country will be treated as equal.
That means neither the government nor the citizen can differentiate people based on caste, creed and religion. Okay, I got it. So that means we, the citizen of India, follow the rules laid down by our constitution. For example, we must help our nation stay united. I love my country because it is democratic republic, which means nation what we have made it. And I am proud to be Indian.
About the importance of the Constitution of India by a wonderful skit performance.
Good morning, respected principal, reverend father, dear sister, coordinator ma'am, teachers, and my fellow Dominicans. Republic Day is not just a celebration of a constitution. It is a reminder of the values of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity that it enshrines. It is a day to honor the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and the vision of our great leaders who paved the way for a democratic and prosperous India. Today, we stand as proud citizens of this great nation, united by diversity, driven by resilience, and committed to progress. Let us pledge to uphold the spirit of Constitution in our daily life and contribute for building a stronger and more inclusive India. Let us fulfill our duties as responsible citizens, whether big or small. Every contribution we make adds strength to our country's foundation. Together, let us work towards making our nation a shining example of progress and harmony for the world to see. Thank you and Jai Hind.